Hey guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back. I mean, like all of the basic stuff. If you like it, you should like it. If you want to turn on notifications, that'd be really awesome. I always announce a really cool or awesome person who I've seen around a lot in the end of the video. Could be you. And then if you want to check out any of my other socials, they will be down below. They're pretty cool if I do say so myself. And I do because I made them. We are going to become a fan account. Yeah, we're going to become a fan account. I know I've seen a few people make this video, so I mean, if you created it, shout out to you. I don't really know who did, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I have honestly never made a fan account or like any kind of edit for anybody. What do you do? Okay, so name and password. I'm gonna be one of those really extra fan accounts. Andrea is our king and queen, both. I'm everything. So we need a username. I'm so bad at doing usernames. Oh, what should I do? Let's just choose two random things in the room. Hopefully everybody will accept me anyways. Let's choose Fairy Light Andrea. That's what it's gonna be. If that's taken, I swear I'm done. R-E-A. Oh, I got it. Skip finding Facebook friends. We don't need to show everybody on Facebook what I am doing with my life. This fan account's getting some exclusive content, bro. Oh, it was so cute. I like that one. I like that one. This one, I kind of look like a Bliss Violet. Like, does anybody else see it? Is that just me? The Walmart version. So there's me. I have me. I'm ready to go. I feel like I should have edited my profile photo a little bit better because like we're trying for a hardcore actual fan account, and right now I feel like it just kind of looks like a casual fan account. Oh, is it late or is it early? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know. I'm freaking tired, man. I think I'm just gonna lighten this one a little bit. Just a little bit. It's a little bit dark. It's a little bit dreary. Let's just pop on some exposure. I don't know what any of these do, honestly. I just mess around with them until they work. My photo right here. Yes, it's a very beautiful photo. Wow, look at that photo. Much pretty. Actually, this is totally not my best photo. Brighter than my future. Am I right? See, this is why I can't be a fan account. I don't ever use any of these random tools. Do I need to sharpen my photo? Oh, these are cute. Okay, let's put these in. That one above my head, make me look like a freaking little Sim. So cute. You know what? Let's just put it as our story as well, because like, why not? Now I need to change my profile picture. Can you please allow me, good sir? Look at that, my first edit. I'm so proud. Now that I've done that, let's follow some people and then I'll make my edits because I need some inspiration. I'm not quite sure what I should be doing. I feel like I'm gonna get way too extra with it and really get into making edits of me. And I'll just be that one person on the internet who's like, hey guys, I have a fan myself. You wanna see my edits? Let's do one of my OG fan accounts. Okay, let's just follow anything that has my face on it, I guess. Ooh, ex-famous. I actually haven't seen some of these fan accounts, so I mean, like, it's showing me more of you guys. We got a message. Oh my God, it's 3:30 in the morning. It's 3:30 in the, you can't see that. It's 3:30 in the morning and we got a message. Wait, what time is it in California? 1? Who of you are staying up till 1 in the morning? Oh, I'm scared. They're probably gonna hate me. Or this could be our chance to get invited to the group chat. It shows me that I have a lot more fan accounts than I thought I had. So again, thank you. I really appreciate it. I don't know why you like me so much, because like I am a below average human, but like I really appreciate it. I'm actually legitimately nervous. I'm like, I don't know if I should like talk to them. Okay, let's just click it. Let's just click it. Let's just click. Oh, okay, so she said, hey, are you new to the fandom? If so, welcome. I'm Meg and I'm also a fan of Andrea. Maybe we could be friends. I made a friend. This is my first friend. I'm so proud of myself. Literally 10 minutes after I made this, somebody actually approached me and was like, hey, are you new? Let's be friends. This is why I love you guys. Let's answer her. Try not to be creepy. Okay. I made a friend. Hi. Do I talk myself up a lot? Like, should I just be my own hype person and be like, Andrea's the greatest. I love Andrea. Andrea's so cool. Let's add some emojis that I normally never... What emojis do I not normally use? Let's add the green heart. I don't think I've ever in my life used the green heart. Woo! I got a message back. Okay. Well, welcome. I'll ask the other girls to add you into the group chat. I'm in the group chat. So I just think I'm just gonna be like, awesome. I'd love that. So we look legit. We're done. Okay, So I'm back. I really want to get in and start making edits. I've been studying some of the edits that you guys have made me, which I mean are way better than anything I'm gonna make today. Let's not set our sights too high. I don't know what editors everybody uses, so I'm just gonna kind of go and use what I normally use. I don't know if that's what we're supposed to be doing, but that's what I'm doing. So, yeah, let's use VSCO. I feel like that's a safe one. If I were a fan account, I would definitely go for something very minimalistic anyways. So I think this is definitely gonna be good. We're gonna be good here. Hopefully, I'm talking myself into it because inside I'm panicking, can you tell? So let's just choose, ooh, there's a lot of pictures of me. See, my question is this fun or does this make me look psychotic? Because both. What color theme should I have? What's a color that I never get to use in real life? Because we always do pink. Let's do blue. I want a blue theme. I'd like some blue Andrea edits, please. We're learning so much. Yeah, that looks cool. I'm saying that looks cool as all of you guys are at home are like cringing internally. I love these hearts. These are fun. Oh, I like this planet. Okay, I've always wanted to use this planet. I just haven't. Is this a good enough edit? Like, I'm honestly questioning it now. Is this not enough? Should I be doing more? I'm sorry. I'm not as talented as you guys. I'm trying. Let's do 2 more because, you know, I feel like with Instagram, you always have to get that nice, crisp 3-line border. Green. Yes. Woo! We're going for an alien vibe. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm getting into it now. Okay, so that looks really good. I really like that. Honestly, I'm just gonna save it the way it is. I've been inspired. I have new life. I feel like I know what I'm doing with this account now. And then for our 3rd edit, let's get crazy. Get a little crazy up in here. Let's go for another color. And then green for the highlights. We made teal. We're mixing colors. This is science. Save that. Looks great.
Sorry, I can't connect to your Wi-Fi network. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your Echo Spot.
Did I ask you to?
The next day.
So I have kind of an alien vibe going on. We have all 3 of our photos. Now, all we have to do is post them. Do you use tags? Should I be using tags on these? There are so many questions that are left unanswered. How did I get followers? What? If we're going about this in like a, hey, I wonder how much work it is to be a fan account kind of like mindset. You guys work really hard. Okay, so here's one. Let's just put a random caption. If I get 1 like on this photo, I will be happy, to be completely honest. Nobody's appreciating my art. Go share our photos with the fan accounts, shall we? Okay, so there's a group chat. Like my pics. Now, please, I need friends and likes. Oh. Okay, someone said they're gonna like it. Got 1 like. I feel honored. I'd just like to thank everybody who brought me to this very moment, who inspired me to be a YouTuber so I could create a fan account for myself. Go like some other photos. Let's go look at some other things. That's really cute. You guys make me look a lot cooler than I actually I'm most definitely below average. I promise you I am not a savage. I'm actually the softest person you will meet. Okay, so it's been a few days, and by a few days I mean a week. I'm a procrastinator. I'm sorry, but like we got some more responses, so that was pretty cool. So I said, like my pics now, please, I need friends and likes. And then we got, I did, okay. Nobody is even questioning the fact that I basically said, yo, likes now. We got a request from Andrea fan. We'll follow her back, of course. Of course. They said stuff to us. I feel accomplished. We did a lot as a fan account. I'm totally switching this over to a spam account now because like I wanted one for so long so I can post all of my weird and ugly selfies for you guys. So that is it for the video. I really hope you guys liked it. I actually had like such a great time going and talking to you guys when you're actually awake. Props to you in all seriousness. I love you guys so much. Like I really appreciate all of you. I see all of your edits and everything, and I really like them, and I really appreciate them. And just know that like I see you. I see all of you, and I absolutely adore you for all of the work that you've done towards me. Thank you. If you did, you could give it a like if you want to support me even more. I'm always hanging out in the first few hours the video goes live. Then you can comment this emoji right here, and I will respond. All my social medias are down below. I particularly love Snapchat. I also love Twitter, but then again, I also love Instagram. So you should probably go and check all of them out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
It's 2 people in time living their own life, like 2 parallel